Hello guys, we are at the tracker power supply system. So we are in the UXC cavern at layer X4, and here our racks with power supplies. If you see that all the racks are labeled at the top, this is X4F38, and the same label we also have at the back of the rack. So use them, they're useful. Then you see how this rack is organized. We have two turbines, one on the top, one turbine at the top, and one is at the bottom. And this is not typical situation for CMS, because at CMS all other racks has maximum one turbine. And we have three types of power supplies. At the very top we have a CDC converter, so-called MAO, which provides 48 volts, and they are always under turbine, and they are typically 3 per crate, could be a little bit different. Then we have our main modules, our power supply modules for the detector, so called 4601, and 1 or 2 per crate. We have typically we have model for the control power 4602. So you see this blinking light, it means that we have communication with mainframe, and that red light says that power supply is on. So this Christmas tree is what you have to see if power supply is working properly. That's it. Also, important part, this is a CO2 extinguishing system. So the rack is equipped with anti-fire system, which delivers CO2 if necessary, if there is alarm, or if you push this button. So please don't do this. I never tried it, and I don't recommend to you to do this. Yeah, important thing is about turbines. So you see that it's quite noisy environment here, because in every rack there are turbines which are spinning. But you often not interested about all the turbines. You are. It's important that to be sure that your turbine is running. So you can see that there is a green light here, and you can try to hear the noise when it is spinning, or look at the vibration. Because if this turbine stops, rack will overheat very, very quickly. And here we're at the back of the racks. You see this crazy cabling, which is just looks crazy. In fact, it is not. It is very, very well engineered, prototyped, and so on. And if you have idea to disconnect a cable, or move it to another rack, or do something else, please don't do this. Don't touch the cables. And this is the only chance that they will work for remaining years, which we need them for operation of the tracker. One more statement. You see that here two types of cables mainly. Yeah, you see green cables, which are power cables for the tracker, and these blue cables, which is part of DCS system, which contain the signals for temperatures and interlocks, which goes from this power supply to the tracker PLC and back.